How to make a Christmas tree paracord ornament candy cane. Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord tutorial. Today we're gonna create this beautiful Christmas ornament, so stay tuned because tutorial is right around the corner. Enjoy! So for this project we're gonna use this green and red Paracord 550. And on the end of this video, if you like it, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button. Also, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today, the full tutorial we have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna take the green paracord's ends and then pull it all the way to find the center. Same with the red one. Okay, it's enough. Now, here in the middle, we're gonna pinch it and then take the left side red and place it on top of the green. Now with the green, we're gonna pass it on top of the red, and with this top side red, we're gonna cross it on top of the green and to the side like this. And now with this left strand green, we're gonna take it and place it on top of this red one. We cross it last, and then under this red one here. So this is the box knot. So we're gonna take our green and pass it like this, almost on top of this green here, and then with the red one on top of the green. Now with the green on top of the red and to the side, and as we did previously with the green, we're gonna place our red paracord on top of the green, this one here, and we're gonna pull it under this green here. So let me just rearrange a bit. Okay, so pull it through that loop under the green, and once more we tied our box knot. So now we're gonna take our red and we're gonna place it on the red, on top of the red here, and again we're gonna take our green, place it on top of the red, leave a little bite for the end. Now with the red, we're gonna place it on top of the green, and with this top left green, we're gonna take it, place it on top of the red one, and then under this first red or bottom red as you wish, through this loop here. If you want to have the firm look of your candy cane, you can insert here in this loop, in this gap here, the wire, and it will be firmer and have the permanent shape of a candy cane. Now take the green, place it on top of the red one, take the red, place it on top of the green one. Now the green on top of the red, red on top of the green, and under the first green. So basically this is the whole process of weaving today's project. here we have finished our candy cane almost. Now we'll have just to create a round shape on top. So we'll have the real cane. As I said, you can insert the wire in the middle of your box nut, so your candy cane will be more with a firm structure, but this is okay also. So this is it. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, and happy holidays. See you soon. Bye.